Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can fix a duplicate account on Revolut. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along even if your screen looks a little bit different. So before starting, make sure that you have your correct plan or version that supports this feature so you will have full access to everything you need. So of course, open your Revolut app or your website and make sure that your country has it, and then check after logging into your account. You will check both accounts and contact Revolut support via help or chat, or via help and then go to chat, and then you will explain duplicate account issue. Then after that, you will have to provide ID verification, and then support will merge or close duplicate. And what you will have to do is just simply follow instructions, confirm access to main account, and that's just it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.